Hello everyone, welcome to today's lesson. This is Tambari once more. We are here today to look at another basic concept in mathematics titled converting improper fractions to mixed fractions. Converting improper fractions to mixed fractions. An improper fraction, in case you don't know, is a fraction that has a numerator bigger than its denominator. For example, 5 over 2 is an improper fraction. 10 over 9 is an improper fraction. We also have 20 over 7 is also an improper fraction. Why a proper fraction is 1 over 2, 3 over 5. These are examples of proper fractions because they have a numerator less than the denominator. But whenever the denominator is less than the numerator, is considered to be an improper fraction. Now, most of the questions we solve in maths are always, some of them appear to be improper, and maths answers are not allowed to be expressed in improper form, majority of them. So in case you come across 3 over 2 in your at the end of your calculation, you shouldn't be leaving your answer like this except you are asked to. But most times you won't see your answer as 3 over 2, you see it as one whole number 1 over 2. And how is it done? The one I get here is coming from the number of times the denominator can go to the numerator. We have only one group of 2 in 3, and that is a 1. And if we have that group of 2 in 3, we'll be giving you a remainder 1, and that 1 is what I wrote up here. 5 over 4. For 5 over 4, we have it the same way. How many groups of 4 do we have in 5? We all have only 1, remainder 1, all over 4. So that's how I have converted this thing. That's the idea behind converting improper fractions to mix. Yeah, and a mixed fraction must contain a proper fraction and a whole number as well. Okay, so let's consider another example. Let's say we have 10 over 7. See, for 10 over 7, we have only one group of 7 in 10, and there will be a remainder 3 all over 7. Okay, let's consider 12 over 5, for instance. For 12 over 5, how many groups of 5 do we have in 12? We have 5, 10. That's only 2 groups. And 10 plus 2 will give us 12. So remainder 2 all over 5. Okay. If you have something like 2 number 3 over 6, this fraction has not been expressed in the right form because the proper fractions still have common factor. This 3 and 6 still have common factor. So it should be 2 number 1 over 2. That's the best form. It's not supposed to be 3 because the fraction must be expressed in its lowest stand. So this is the right form. Instead of 2 number 3 over 6, it should be 2 number 1 over 2. So ensure that your fraction is actually expressed in the proper form. It's only then you agree that you are correct. So let's sample the last one. Let's say we have 11 over 3. See, 11 over 3. We have 3, 6, 9. We have 3 groups of 3 in 11. Remainder 2 all over 3. Check my proper fraction. It has been expressed in its lowest stand. Because you don't know how fractions are expressed in their lowest stand, you can check in the link, the description below. I have a video also explaining that concept. So if I have, let's say 18 all over 5, you see, my answer will be 3 whole number 3 over 5 because I have only 3 groups of 5 in 18. That's a big 3, and there'll be remainder 3. So, and that remainder 3 is written as a numerator. That's the idea. So, but what if we are asked to convert from the mixed back to improper? You just reverse it. 5 times 3, 15. 15 plus 3 will give you 18 all over 3. 3 times 3 will give you 9. 9 plus 2 will give you 11 all over 3. That's how you convert from mixed back to improper. Well, thank you. I don't want the video to be too lengthy so that to not be boring. Thank you for your time and your energy as well. I'm happy to have you around. I wish to see you in my next video as I continue to drop educative content. Thank you. Hit the subscription button, hit the like button, hit the notification button, and God will bless you. Thank you. Remain blessed. I am out.